Hey folks, and welcome to this premium analysis of gold versus the American dollar. So we've reached these very high prices. We raced through $2,000 per ounce, and we visited these highs. This is a weekly chart. You probably have gathered that by the color, just in case. So I mean, price reached this high here, and we came all the way back down. Reference these patterns here. Price came back, and now we retested it almost at the pip. And now we're fading off. And there are a couple of important things we need to pay attention to here. First of all, is that we had this just here. We had departure in price. We had price move away, and we tested the edge of that area here. And we came back down and we rallied, and then we tore through it, revisited the highs, but we did not manage to hold above it. Now it looks like we're going to have another test at something in this weekly wick just here. Another thing we need to keep an eye on is the fact that we've actually done this. So we had an area here. This is not a beautiful area, but it is an area of strength. Okay, price left. We tested the area. This is again telling us that there's supply here. Then price went up. We moved sideways. We raced up to the area. We moved back down, and then we started to trade above that area. And so this area here is now gone, and the area that removed it is somewhere down here. So if we move our little box here, we've got this. You can see that this is held many times. Once, two, three. We had three tests here, and now price is looking to try and challenge the highs once more. Okay, so this is an important thing to pay attention to. We have demand here. Okay, this is holding. Price managed to tear through this. What we could also do in a situation like this is reference the absolute high of the retracement, which brings our attention to the upper edge of this pattern here. We won't do that on this time frame because we can't see the details, but we will do that on the smaller time frame. So we'll have a look on the daily chart and just see if we can take a closer look at that. Yeah, and it makes a little bit more sense here, where we have price leaving very quickly. Slingshot was pulled back, and then we drift low. This is not really a remarkable exhibition in any way. It's not like shirt tearing departure, but price did go up to this area here, something in here, and then we left. And so, I mean, this brings our attention to this. Okay, see the bottom of this bar here. This is the departure bar. We have probably micro sell zone just here. Okay, so this is what we currently have. I think we should go down to the 4 hour just to have a closer look in there. Let me find that. Okay, so in this time frame you can see it really quick, very clearly. Sorry. So we have price wriggling higher, a real struggle. We tested this high just here. We left, the slingshot was pulled back, and then we departed. Okay, so we definitely have something. I'm going to put this like that. So we've definitely, I'm just going to put a box on there. We've definitely got something around here. This is a very nice area. This is the upper edge of this daily area of supply. So moving to current price, where are we? Yeah, we went to that, didn't we? We went right to it, and then we left. We went really far into it. We did not surpass the high, and we left. But this is a beautiful revisit to this slingshot, the beginning of the sell zone on this daily area of demand. You can see here the slingshot is here at the bottom of the blue box, which is essentially 4 hours supply. Okay, now price left, and now we are looking to do something else. We don't know what's going to happen, but what we do have is something right here, and this is interesting to us because if we just draw this off roughly, we had this. Now this is gone. Kids are in the pool. You can hear them in the background. Sorry for that. Tested once, tested twice, and now it's gone. Okay, so the origin of the move that caused price to be able to trade below that is here. This is the move that went through it, essentially removing this. So in a situation like that, we want to look here. So I'm just going to put a box on it. Let's put something here. Now I'm going to go to the small time frame, and we're going to take a look at that, and it looks something like this. I mean, we've got something like this. Okay, this price here tested. Slingshot was pulled back, and then we departed. And so this is likely an interesting place for price to revisit. Price went up here, we came back down, we went down, we came down, we revisited the lows. So this is more or less rebalanced. a return to this would be nice, but maybe we won't get that. But I like that we have this is the slingshot, so this is probably where we're going to see a reaction in the future. Okay, so eyes on the $2,000 10 per ounce for gold, and we'll see what happens when price gets there. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.